Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm back to work in my work planner, which is a DIY disc bound planner using a tool cover and tool discs. I also have a digital, what's left of the digital from CHELA Creates. I use this digital for my March title page. And if you are interested in CHELA Creates digitals, there is a link and discount code in the description box below. I pulled out these sticker sheets from Isis Ella Jewels because there were some elements on each one that I think I want to use in this spread. I also have the Bloom Bear sticker book from Isis Ella Jewels that I will be pulling from, as well as the Roy G. Biv Boxes and Florals by Kelva Plan Volume 2. I've been trying to stay away from so many florals, but I feel like this week I want to use a floral or two. I did not pull out any washi yet. However, I do have these two that I may use. And I wanted something a little more subtle. I think I can use this sage colored washi with this. I think so. Okay, let's get busy. Oh, maybe I could use a floral. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this washi too. All right, let me pull out the inserts that we are going to be using. So this is last week's spread. I am doing these a little in advance, so that is why there's nothing filled out here. I will try to flip back and show you once it is filled in. So I'm going to be doing the week of the 14th through the 20th, which happens to be our spring break here in Florida. So let's get busy. I'm going to use this at the top, and let me make sure I have it going in the right direction. Nope, it goes like this. Then at the bottom, I guess I'll use this one. I hope this doesn't clash. I don't think it will. Let's play a little bit more with the washi. Let's see. I don't think I want to use that one. I'm not going to use that. So I may come in with this scallop. So this washi is perforated, which I kind of forgot. So I have to be careful when I tear it so that it doesn't tear in the wrong place. I'm not sure I want to put that all the way down. I think I'm going to stop with that there. Then I'm going to use this I Am Creative. And put it here. And then I want to use this lily here. Up, 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 up. No. Okay. All right, so there she goes. Hopefully I won't have a lot to write down on Sunday. It is straight. And then gonna put this here on Tuesday. Want to use this moon and sun. I'm gonna put it right above her actually. And I think that was everything that I wanted to use from here. Where's the other sheet? Oh, I already did it. Okay. So far, I like that. Let's see, do I want to put more of this? Let's try it. So let's use this butterfly. Put it right there. And then I want to use this one. It's very, very big. Oh, I lost the antenna, so I'm going to take both of them off. And let's put this one here. Okay. Then let's get a couple of these clovers, and I think that's going to be good because these are big pieces and I don't want to take up too much space. Let's use one of the to-do stickers. And let's do today. So I guess I won't be using the CHELA plan stickers because it would just be too much. Maybe I'll add a few of these boxes. This is the kit for March for patron elites. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep this simple for a change. I know I always say that and go berserk, but I think I'm going to keep this simple. This area right here needs a little something. So I'm just going to use another one of these clovers. And place that right there, and maybe one more up here. It just I need a little more balance. So yeah, and then let's trim this off, and we are good. I think I'm gonna use this. We create what we feel. I know I keep saying I'm going to stop, but I like that. Let's see, is there anything else on here I want to use? I'm going to do Magic Really Happens. Put it right there. Okay, that's enough. Let's pop this back in. So we didn't use CHELA plan, and we didn't use the Bloom Bear, but that's okay. I can use it later. So let's pop this back in. So that's it for the week of the 14th through the 20th in my work planner. I used washi tape from Simply Gilded. There is a special link in the description box below that gives you a discount. I used the to-do and today stickers that are available as a digital to Scrapcraftastic patrons. I used the Lily sticker and a couple of deco stickers and small quotes and a large quote from Isis Ella Jewels. I used deco clip art stickers from CHELA Creates, and I think that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.